Saya's S220 slim aluminum clad wood lift slide door. Independently developed and manufactured by Saya's. It can be used as a garden door or interior partition, combining functions such as passage, lighting, ventilation, and soundproofing. Its opening method is lift slide, controlled by a handle to raise or lower the rollers for locking or opening. The top track uses a roller sliding mechanism for smoother operation. The frame thickness of this door is 220 mm, composed of wood and aluminum. The wood frame is the primary material, using mortise and tenon joints with D4 grade wood adhesive for durability. The middle frame uses Saya's patented steelwood composite anti-deformation technology to enhance structural strength and prevent frame deformation. The aluminum frame on the exterior side protects and decorates the wood frame, featuring seamless welding for a sleek look and superior performance. The sash mullion of this door is 64 mm wide, and the width of the frame is 56 mm. Making it slimmer and more refined, increasing the visible light area for a more transparent and attractive overall effect. It comes standard with low-E double glazing, providing excellent insulation and heat preservation. The hardware is from Siegnia, Germany, designed for lift slide doors, with strong load-bearing capacity. You can choose between 200 kilograms or 400 kilograms based on the weight of the door panels to ensure safe and smooth sliding. In addition to the standard threshold, there is an option for a barrier-free aluminum bottom frame, providing smoother passage without any threshold obstruction. There are two opening options, single slide and double slide, suitable for different scenarios. Saya's S220 slim aluminum clad wood lift sliding door, with a heat transfer coefficient U value less than or equal to 0.25. The ultra-narrow frame with a simple and stylish design will not disappoint. Saya's S220 slim aluminum clad wood lift sliding door creates a better home experience for you.